Ready to start collaboration in less than 25 seconds? Stay tuned and learn how to quick start your mirror. Let's set the interface of your choice and some key elements on your menu. You can select one of the Newline themes or your own background. Pull out the toolbar from the side to create a floating menu. For easy navigation, select your preferred fast keys by pressing the plus. Access to content in the cloud or external devices ready for you to use and edit. Let's create. Customize the background of the whiteboard and choose the pen colour or thickness among many options. The Newline whiteboard includes many additional tools that enhance the collaboration experience. Search the web and insert images straight onto the canvas. Object recognition enables you to write with the pen, move, pinch and zoom with your fingers, and erase with your fist. With the lasso tool, you can group different objects. With the infinite canvas, you will not lose track of your ideas. Share your notes easily with the QR code. Let's go to the OPS PC. Newline OPS PCs are fully compatible with any Windows-based software. Make annotations on pictures, videos, Excel files, Microsoft Whiteboard, PDF files or PowerPoint presentations using the Annotations tool or Windows Ink. Display the content with touch from other devices such as Windows Laptop or Mac. Mirror comes with a built-in camera and mic, but you will be able to connect it to any external device that you need to use. With Newline's digital tools, you can share content wirelessly from other devices. To other devices. Or have a one-touch video call managed by Teams or Zoom. Share annotations before the end of the session by email, cloud, QR code or using an external drive.